Yo.
She's bigger now. She's so big na. Hindi na siya little girl. Paano yan? You count ka Spanish? Can you still count Spanish?
Uno, dos, tres. I don't remember.
You don't remember? Are you saying do, a deer?
A female deer, ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself.
Wow, so different na
I don't remember what's next.
You
Oh my God, pinausap bigla.
Sunday na naman. From
Lunes na naman bukas.
from 3 years old to 16 years old, ganito pa rin kami.
Yes. Yung ibang ano nga 16-year-old, hindi na nakapagganto sa papa nila
Ikaw.
Like,
Because?
why not? Because I love my dad.
Wow.
Yung iba, like, they're so arty, like, they don't wanna hang with their dad like this. Like, I don't know, the way other adults say it, like, parang, ay, hindi na ako ginaganyan ng anak ko. Why though? Why? But, okay, bala kayo.
Wala ba, baby?
Yes. I'm stalking Papa right now. I'm
How's
going...
your, how's your, pala?
Yes.
Ice skates.
Doing...
Your lesson,
Like,
ice skating?
It's okay. I've learned some naman. Pero tuwing like... Diba kasi yung practice ko every Saturday, ganon. Pag, okay, let's say like nag-practice ako ngayon. Tapos, next practice ko ulit, nakalimutan ko na lahat. I need like 30 minutes. And then, okay, I'm back on my pace.
Continue practicing. My little girl is now a big girl.
I still look like this. Stop doing it to my hair. I look like an egg.
An egg? Why an egg?
Oh, yeah. I've been a diva since young. Wait.
Diba?
I'm a diva.
Diba? Papa diba? Ganun diba?
I've been a diva. Like, yes. 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 Who is that?